this is a different mom coming out of the same place in the raspberries. And she's got a bunch of kids. About 4 of them, 3 or 4 of them have already gone by. And there's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right on. So is that the left of the barrel? Or is that
No, that's right in the same spot we saw the other batch.
Okay.
Trying to get this thing to autofocus right.
It's probably not going to because of the blinds.
Yeah, I know it. Yep, see?
Oh, Dad's finally down.
Yep.
And then we've got another dad on the fence. Woo! He almost tried to fly. Woo!
Yeah, they are. They're running around.
Look at all those babies.
Ring ding ding ling ling ding ding ding.
Oh dear.
That's like trying to figure out how many people are coming out of a clown car.
I know. There's a lot of, well, there's not as many.
Look at all that. Look at, there's another one, little Speedy. Oh, somebody just woke up. Hey guys, wait for me.
Wait for me.
Look at that. 2 more there. Another
Oh.
one there. 3
Oh,
more
my.
right there. 4.
We have no idea how many this is now. Oh, there's another one coming out. Oh my heavens.
It sure says a lot about Mom.
Stop it. I'm gonna get YouTube banned.
Oh, coming out of the brush pile.
Oh my goodness.
We got chickadees up in there.
Yeah. Is that the original mama?
I have no idea.
You've lost track? Oh,
I know, shame
gosh.
on me. I should know their names intimately. Yeah, right. Oh, there.